Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to add shake effect in CapCut. So to do that, let's head over to CapCut application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged into your account and then head over to any project or previous saved project. So as you can see, I'm in here. I'm gonna add the shake effect. So I'm heading over to the effects in the bottom and go to video effects. Now here you can manually search for your effect. I'm gonna search for the shake effect by searching it. And here you'll find lots and sorts of shake effect. And some of them are for premium CapCut users. So I'm gonna use the free one right now.
Rainy day.
So as you can see, this one, you can add any other one you want. Like if you
Rainy day.
any sort of other thing, then cancel and then just tap on the tick and it will
Rainy
add.
day.
As you can see, it is that. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.